campgrounds don't actually open until mid-May. It's right now April 12th. We're gonna do some car camping in the back of this to get out in nature, and hopefully nobody's gonna be there. Oh, this looks a little overgrown. Might not be good. Okay, never mind. Hope your car has pretty good clearance. Should I check that we're like... Just go. These branches look ugly. I think we might make a split. Do you think it'll fit through here?
Business room.
This is gonna take a while, huh? We're starting this fire the city boy way. How's our bedroom?
Very comfortable. Is the door gonna close?
Don't slice the dog. Roar, you watch out. We're gonna be making brats. And I brought these hot dogs in the thing. Look at that. How smart was that? We're gonna toast those. We're gonna make some Johnsonville brats. Nice and easy. What?
Does anybody know what a brat is?
I don't know. Smoked brat. It's like a German thing. Okay, the trick is not getting any mustard or ketchup on my gray shirt like I usually do. Can you see me right now? Cheers. It sounded like I shit my pants.
Yeah, I kinda did.
So I recently got this, which is a heated sleeping pad. You can actually, I have a little battery in here, just like a little portable power bank. You hit this and it has 3 different modes. It's got hot, I guess, cool, medium. And the idea of this is you put it in a sleeping bag, you stay warm. So this is a really cool way to stay warm if you don't want to use like a diesel heater or a Mr. Buddy or something like that. And keeping your girlfriend happy is always the most important thing in the entire world. So we haven't actually camped in the car yet, but would you do it again?
Yep.
By yourself?
No. Back up.
You comfy?
Yeah.
Oh! What are you doing? Don't hop out again! You stop.
Hi, buddy.
How'd you sleep, buddy? I had the worst sleep of my life. I think something about being in a car in the middle of nowhere. I just can't fall asleep, and it took me to like 1 to truly fall asleep. I was like half asleep. Then I slept okay, other than, you know, not the most comfortable, but. Good morning. Ooh, looks perfect. Break off. So what I do is I take these eggs and I wrap them, paper towel. So now I have a paper towel if I need it, which is great. Always need paper towel. And the eggs stay good, so you don't have to use one of those egg things if you don't have one.
Watch him go pick out my plate.
He's got cross-country skis, a giant idealized blue state with single-parent healthcare, gun control, and abortion on polite measure.
Okay, we are going to head back now. It was a really nice night. I had a terrible time sleeping. Aside from that, it was really good. It was fun. We're just gonna chill out here for a bit, pack up, head out. It was a quick one today. Thank you for watching.